guys. Oh Jesus, sorry y'all, it's a little early in the morning, you know, like that early morning. Ow. But okay, so as y'all can see, different setting. I'm in the bathroom. So as you can see from the title, I'm doing how to brighten up your smile. So a lot of the things that I would hear a lot growing up was that my teeth was white, you know. Could be because I'm dark skinned, could be because I got the tricks for your ass, okay? But this is something that my auntie taught me a long time ago, just a old little remedy. You can already see the little secrets right there. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show, you know, how to put this together, get you a nice little natural toothpaste to break down, you know, all the yucky stuff on your teeth. So you want to start first. So what you need is some baking soda. Okay, I like to use Arm & Hammer baking soda, but I mean any type of baking soda will really work. I just like Arm & Hammer. Today I have some lime juice. Normally I like to use lemon juice. Today I have lime juice. Honestly, either one would work. You know, don't be thinking, oh, all I have is lime juice, I need to go get lemon juice. Like, girl, either one would work, okay? Lime it's just the acidity in it that we're really looking for. And I don't, you know, if you want to get a little container or something, all I have right now is like a little shot glass that I have not been using too much lately. So we just gonna put my little concoction up in here. And of course you need you a toothbrush. Like, come on, hopefully you got one of these at the house. So, you know, I'm gonna get your toothbrush now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet my toothbrush up, because that's just like, I like to start off brushing my teeth with a wet toothbrush. I'm gonna go get that nice and moist, and I'm just gonna sit it in my little toothbrush holder for the meantime. All right, so as far as measurements, there aren't really any. You just get it all together. So I'm just gonna put some baking soda in my cup, just as much as I feel like I would need. Right now, this is, you know, a good enough amount for me to use, you know. And pair that with some lemon juice. With my juices, I always just shake it up, get that acid in there flowing, all the nutrients in there flowing as well. And we're just gonna put that juice up in there. As you can see, it's foaming. It's foaming. Use that to mix it together. Two and two together, and it'll come into like a real pasty looking product. It'll be real pasty, like, to get it up in there. And I can see like it's more baking soda than paste. So going back in, just put some more juice up in there. You see it start fizzling. Just mix it up, and now it's looking more like paste. So it's kind of runny. Alright, so that's what you want. You want it to be real runny. Not real runny, but runny. And then you just proceed to brush your teeth with it. So just probably look stupid right now trying to brush my teeth in here like this. Let me get in the mirror. I'm doing a 2-in-1. It's the first video out of 2 that I'll be doing today. You know, on the stand trying to get my content up. Alright, so you keep doing that. So you want to do that maybe once a week. You don't want this to be an everyday thing, because baking soda and it's like such an acidic, ooh, I can feel it already, like, ooh. But it's such an acidic combination. You don't want to do it every day, because it will tear down your enamel. So first starting off doing it, you want to do it maybe once a week out the month. I'm sorry, 1 week out of the month, and just keep doing it like that, and then kind of slow down to doing just 3 days out of the month, like 3 consistent days out of the month, and so on and so forth. Now I only do it, you know, as needed. I have a birthday coming up, so I'm about to be doing it just so, you know, teeth can be shining. But on top of that, I do also like to just put a little Listerine in my mouth, only because that combination doesn't really have a minty flavor. So just so I can make sure not only that my teeth are clean, but my breath don't stink. Just a perfect combination. But yeah, so that's all I have for y'all today. Hopefully, you know, we can get y'all shining with the teeth. But thanks for watching. And also check out another video that I'll be posting probably today as well. That one is just a little story time chit chat. But make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you try this and it works out for you, or if you know people who tried it and it works out for them, go ahead and hit the like button so people know, you know, I know what I'm talking about. And I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.